Nature versus innovation. This video explains how to learn to innovate from nature. Here are some steps to learn to innovate from nature. Observing nature, we can study natural patterns, designs, and processes. Defining the problem, we can identify the issue and can resolve the problem. Researching, we can look for similar solutions in nature. Extracting principles, we can identify nature's problem-solving principles and patterns. Applying principles, we can develop solutions by using natural processes and designs. Testing and refining, we can test and improve a solution based on feedback and further observation of nature. By studying how the following animals function in nature, scientists and engineers may be able to develop new technologies that mimic their methods to communicate, navigate, see, fly and hear. We can take the example of snakes. They can communicate using vibrations, which is also known as seismic communication. This type of communication involves sending and receiving signals through vibrations that are transmitted through the ground. Here are some ways that snakes use vibrations to communicate. Snakes can detect prey through ground vibrations using their tongue. Male garter snakes use ground vibrations to attract females during mating season. Some snakes use vibrations as an alarm signal to warn other snakes of nearby danger. Overall, studying the vibration detection abilities of snakes can provide valuable insights and inspire new technologies that can be used in various fields, including earthquake detection, military applications, and autonomous robotics. Another example from pigeons, they have a remarkable ability to navigate and find their way back to their own place from far away. Scientists believe that pigeons use a combination of different methods to navigate, including pigeons use a sun compass to orient themselves by detecting the angle of sunlight. Pigeons sense the Earth's magnetic field using magnetite particles in their beaks and inner ears. Pigeons use visual cues in their sense of smell such as the landscape and landmarks, to navigate. Overall, studying the navigational abilities of pigeons can provide valuable insights and inspire new technologies that can be used in the development of robotic drones. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize fields such as search and rescue, precision agriculture, and environmental monitoring. We can also take the example of owls. They are able to see at night, thanks to a combination of their eyesight and other adaptations that allow them to hunt in low light conditions. Here are some ways owls are able to see in the dark. The tapetum lucidum, a reflective layer in the back of their eyes, enhances their night vision by reflecting light back through the retina. Their retina has a higher density of light-sensitive cells called rods, which allow them to see in dim light. These adaptations have inspired scientists and engineers to develop new technologies that can be used for night vision. For example, night vision glasses and cameras use technology that amplifies available light to produce a clear image in low light conditions. A further example of eagles, they are known for their ability to soar and fly in an aerodynamic way. Here are some of the ways that eagles achieve their impressive flight capabilities. Eagles can adjust the position of their feathers to fine-tune their flight and maintain stability. Eagles conserve energy by using thermals and wind to gain altitude and reduce drag. Eagles' sharp eyesight allows them to spot prey from a distance and adjust their flight path for successful hunting. Overall, the aerodynamic abilities of eagles are a valuable source of inspiration for engineers and designers working on developing new aerial technologies. By studying the structural adaptations and flight capabilities of eagles, researchers can develop new technologies that are more efficient, effective, and environmentally friendly. Dolphins are known for their exceptional hearing abilities, which enable them to detect and locate prey, communicate with other dolphins, and navigate through their environment. Here are some of the reasons why dolphins can hear from far away. Dolphins use echolocation to see their environment through sound, locating objects and prey in dark or murky water. Dolphins have extremely sensitive hearing, detecting sounds over long distances, and distinguishing between different types of sounds, including those of different fish species. Overall, the combination of echolocation, large ears, sensitive hearing, and the unique properties of sound transmission in water enable dolphins to hear from far away and navigate their environment effectively. There are several animals that can hear better than humans, and the reasons for their superior hearing can vary depending on the species. Here are a few examples. Dogs have superior hearing, with the ability to detect high-pitched sounds and faint sounds from greater distances. Their long ear canals are designed to pick up faint sounds from a distance. Like dogs, cats have heightened hearing, with the ability to detect high-pitched sounds and faint sounds, even in the dark due to their sensitive inner ear. Dogs, cats and dolphins have exceptional hearing abilities that have inspired researchers to develop technologies to help people who are deaf or hard of hearing. Additionally, animal-inspired sensing technologies, such as those inspired by bat echolocation, are being explored for detecting potential dangers in various settings, such as self-driving cars or drones. In this way, God's attributes are reflected in His own creation, just as God created humans to mimic His own excellences. As a result, humans are the best creations in the universe so far, implying that we can learn from nature and unleash uncountable innovations to solve current and future problems. There are always infinite possibilities for us to keep innovating. This enables us to consider the manifestation of science and nature for application in the essence of humanity. However, there is still much to learn and many challenges to overcome, such as climate change, energy production, and disease. It is essential to continue to pursue scientific inquiry, ethical considerations, and responsible innovation to ensure that we use our capabilities for the betterment of humanity, other living beings and the planets. Thanks for watching.